That's why we do this day to day. Purple cushion, expensive place and hoes from different states. California smoke, that bitch love the taste. HLT.
Don't move with that.
Everybody knows she a bitch. I am on the game, coming in fast, ain't no stopping that. Everywhere I go, keep my pockets fat. Young boss nigga, drop the price, steady coming back. Got Molly in the bottles on pink, girl. Just kicking for a week, girl. This is for you, pink, girl.
Nelly, yeah. Nelly and Kelly.
That's me.
Have you heard of this song?
No.
Nelly
Have
and
you?
Kelly.
Have you?
They banged each other. Nelly and Kelly, you know Nelly and Kelly?
R. Kelly?
Guys from upstairs.
Oh. Worker.
Who the fuck are you talking to?
Huh? Oh my god, I don't have my shoes on.
Video blog. Marcus, fucking stop.
What? Christina. That perk? That perk. Hey. Hey.
What?
This is that new sound right here. Ready? That perk.
That also perk.
Hey, that perk. Ready to hit it? Ready?
Tell them all that perk.
Yeah. Superiors in the Church of Brighton informed me that the witch laid down a wicked curse on the ship, and she inhabited High Priest Emmanuel Raymond's body to do it. But when you spend enough time trapped in a zombie-infested hole like this, you start to... Oh, I fucking died?
You want Spaghetti Sam?
Spaghetti Sam?
Spaghetti Sam?
Spaghetti Sam.
And I've been having a nice night. How you learning? Always got me posted in the right mind. Twisted bright pines, living life, watching time fly. Hide up on the cloud, then we let the smoke inside the riders boxes like a sauna, but that's just the way we like. I just cop the boxes from women. We stay lifted, gifted when I be spitting. It's wicked and now the speed that I've been hitting's got me spinning. And throw a tip in for those who know we winning. Stop tripping, slipping.
Don't say nothing about you, girly bitch ass hoe ass slut anyway. Go down with that camera, hey. Get it on my face.
Tell me about yourself. Dorado.
Who?
Dorado.
Dorado?
Dorado.
Alright, well, my name is Dylan. Kofong Jr. Pill Popper, Excellent, Molly Eater the Third, Dorado.
My team in the wing lit. No speech, just the smell of her cologne on my clothes. These are things that I see when I'm drinking. Crib walking. Now, bitch, I'm higher learning, stepping with a composition book filled up with deadly weapons. While you walking around town feeling threatened, I'm just chilling on the cloud, feeling so uncontested. I hope you're well rested. It's that wild, wild west kid. Smoking reefer, yeah, we got the best sex. From the port to the town where the switches get rolled up. Double cup love, got Sprite finna pro up. Rolling blends, baby girl, you should know. G to this old shit, got me feeling so grown up. With the squad sipping heme till I throw up. No bitch boy, hit the scene and they go nuts. So rich boy, that's the tree that I'm gon' puff. Ask your bitch boy, she relieved when I show up. Now that's cream and you know, bruh. Hopped up with stank and Patron. Blow stank by the old gas tank on full. Exclusive, how you learn production. Check it. Now I remember when I was young,
Are we getting down to the technicalities? Because if we are, we can get down to the technicalities.
Technicalities? You talking about the technicalities?
Yeah, the technicalities.
You talking about the technicalities? Dude, this is bull. I've been